Okay, now they're giving us, getting a little more difficult. They're giving us the slope and a point, and the point is not the y-intercept. And remember, if it's not the if it's the y-intercept, x will be 0 and y will be its number. Oh, I gotta come back here. Here's that, here's that. There we go. Okay, so let's get this set up, and we're gonna refresh your memory on how to do this. So we're gonna write, as soon as I get my board working here, let's see here. So I know when I'm done, I'm going to have y equals mx plus b, where m plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, so they gave us the slope, so I can write y equals 3 over 4x, but they didn't tell me the y-intercept. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the x and the y and replace those x's and y's in the equation, and then solve for b. So y is -2, and that's equal to 3 over 4 times -12 plus b. And now comes some fraction work. One way to do this is to remember that the 12 can be written as a fraction over 1. And then when we multiply fractions, we multiply across the top, which is -36. We multiply across the bottom, that's going to be 4. And then I can think, oh, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So that tells me I can write this as, there I go, come back to our red, -2 equals -9 plus b. And then I'm going to add 9 to solve for b. And b equals 7. So that's what I'm going to write there. It would be 7. Now, that's one way to do it. Here, let me erase the b and write the 7 like I should. So plus 7. If b had been negative, I would have got rid of the plus sign and just written -7. Though you can write plus and minus, that's not wrong. One other thing I'm encouraging you to, so you could stop this video, answer the question, and be done with it. What I am also trying to get you to think about, though, is some easier ways to do this. Build your math skills. So what we can do is, remember how 12 was over 1? And at some point, you might have learned how you can cross cancel, how it can, I think, oh, well, 12 is divisible by 4, because I remember how I could divide in the last one. So I'm just going to cross out the 4 and the 12, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this is just 3 here, 3 over 1. And the 12 divided by 4 is -3. And 3 times -3 is -9, and we're right back where we are. So it's a lot less fraction work if you do it. And you don't have to do it this way. I'm just encouraging you to if you can. Okay, so hopefully that helps you answer this question.